Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Here we will learn how to crochet, and today we will learn how to crochet a slip stitch, a chain stitch and a single crochet. So let's start. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Crochet by Makarand. Today we will learn how to crochet for the beginners. We will use this t-shirt yarn just because every beginner can see the stitches very easily. That's why I am using this thick yarn. You can use any kind of yarn. This t-shirt yarn is very visible. Through when we will do the stitches, it will help you to see all these loops and tricks. So I am using this kind of yarn. You can use any kind of yarn. So we are using this t-shirt yarn. Then we need a 7mm hook. You can see this, right? A 7mm hook and a pair of scissors. So right now we will start how to crochet for the beginners. So first we will take the thread end here. Now we will place the crochet hook. We will place the crochet hook here, right, like this. Then we will turn the hook behind this thread like this. Then we hold it here. Now we place the hook behind this thread and pull it through the loop, and we will make the slip stitch. Got it? Okay. Once more again. We place the hook here. We turn this hook around like this. We place the hook behind this thread and pull it through the loop like this, and we make the first slip stitch. Now we learn how to make the chain stitches. So this is our first loop, the slip stitch. Now we will place the hook behind this thread like this and pull it through the loop like this and make our first chain stitch. Again, place your hook behind this thread like this and pull it through the loop like this and make the second stitch. We will do like this. Here I am going to do 11 stitches, 11 chain stitches. Okay. We place the hook behind this thread, pull it through the loop. We place the how to do a slip stitch. For doing a first slip stitch, we will grab the yarn like this, place our two fingers and thumb like this, turn our finger like this, put our thumb in between this loop, grab the yarn behind here, pull the yarn through the loop like this, and we have the first slip stitch. Now put your crochet hook in the slip stitch and pull the yarn to tighten the stitch in your hook like this, and we have our first slip stitch. Again, grab the yarn like this, turn it around, put your thumb here, grab the yarn behind here, pull it through the loop, and now place the hook and pull the thread here and tighten the first slip stitch. We have our first slip stitch on our hook. First we have done our slip stitch in our hook. Now we will do the chain stitch. For making a chain stitch, we will place our hook behind this thread and take the thread in the head of the hook like this and pull the thread through the loop like this and make our first chain stitch. Again, place our hook behind this thread, take the thread in the head of the hook and pull it through the loop like this. We will make the chain stitch like this. We will do 10 chain stitch. for the next 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So we have the 10 chain stitch. So we have made this 11 stitches, chain stitches. Now we will learn how to crochet a single crochet. So you can ask me why we are using these 11 stitches, why we can't use these 10 stitches, chain stitches. So we use this one more stitch extra just because we are doing here a single stitch. So first we will put the crochet hook from here. Skip the first chain and put your crochet hook through the second stitch like this. Pull it, place your hook behind this thread, pull it through the chain. Now we have the two stitches, two loops on our hooks. So now we will put the hook behind this thread and pull it through the two loops, and we have made the first single crochet. Okay, again put your hook through the chain, put your hook behind this thread, pull it in between these loops, first and second stitch. We have two loops in our hook. We will place the hook behind this thread, we will pull it all through the loops and make our second single stitch. Okay, like this. Here we will learn how to secure this thread end in between the stitches. So we have to secure this end. So we will do like this, secure this like this. We will go through the and grab the yarn here and pull through the like this. Now we will do our work. Turn around, turn it like this. And we walk along single crochet through this like this. We will do all along the row, single crochet like this. Look, we have hide the end. Thank you for watching my YouTube tutorial channel. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.